For General Assembly, I was a glorious track worker for the MTA here in New York City for about just under 10 years. You can only do that for so long. You can only stay in a rut for so long. And music wasn't panning out. And there was only one other passion that I had, which was computers, web development. And so GA was a no-brainer. It was awesome. All the different people I met in the class, and we formed good friendships quick. So the atmosphere at GA is like second to none. If you put your mind to it and you really apply yourself, then anybody can do it. Now, whatever I can conceive, just like a song, I can put together myself. So you got that elitism in there. You have the creativity. Are you kidding me? It's just as creative as music, where I'm playing keys on a piano, now I'm whipping up functions to do stuff on the screen, or designing it, making it look good. So I found a lot of the personal elements that satisfy me in hip hop. Web development offers the same thing. So again, I count it as a blessing because I didn't transition away from something as like a funeral, like, well, there goes the old me, you know. It's still me, just in a different suit. Coming out of GA with 2 job offers where I could be selective about, and I basically gave myself a substantial raise. Now that I'm in web development, I can't tell you what that means to the family, to us, to our lifestyle. I wake up in the morning and I don't dread going to work. And now I'm like happy-go-lucky. I'm all right. It has changed my life and my family's life substantially.